When Confluence users attach many documents or images to pages, they quickly discover that it's difficult to locate those attachments to update or catalog them. Confluence comes with two macros that work with attachments. The Attachments macro, which allows you to list the attachments on a specific page, and the Space Attachments macro, which lists attachments in a specific space. The Attachment Table macro is part of the Bob Swift Advanced Tables for Confluence add-on, and it brings more power and versatility to the management of your attachments. In this Confluence instance, I have a development space, a demonstration space, and a couple other spaces. In the demonstration space, I've added a few pages from the Confluence documentation. Each of these pages has some attachments, and each has the label doc, some have the label blog, and some have other labels as well. Each page attachment has metadata associated with it, like its file name, file size, and labels and comments added to the attachment. Confluence maintains this metadata for each version of the attachment as well. Unlike the native attachment macros, the Attachment Table macro of the Bob Swift Advanced Tables for Confluence add-on can see, use, and report on all of this metadata. Let's insert the macro using the macro browser. You first need to set parameters that define how to select the attachments you want to see. This includes which pages or spaces on which to look for attachments, which page labels must be present, how attachments are named, which comments appear on the attachments, and even what attachment labels must be present. To show attachments on a particular page, just start typing the page name. And the preview shows the default columns for each attachment found on that page. In the next parameter, type &self to show all attachments in the current space. You can also use a regular expression that lists multiple space keys separated by a vertical bar to show attachments from the demonstration or development space. Note that regular expressions are case-sensitive by default, but they can be made case-insensitive by adding this to the start of the expression. To select pages containing the doc label, just type that label here. You can use the next parameter to select only attachments that have a .jpg extension. Several other selection parameters support regular expressions too, giving you the ultimate control to select only the attachments you want to see. You're currently seeing the default columns in the preview pane, but many more columns are available. To see all available columns, type &all in this parameter. You can then supply a list of specific column names or their relative numbers. Like other macros in this add-on, you can automatically number rows. And automatically total numeric columns, which is helpful if you're trying to identify your largest attachments. This video has shown just a bit of what the Attachment Table macro can do, and how you can use it to manage and catalog the attachments across your Confluence instance. With over 700,000 downloads and 35 of the most popular products on the Atlassian Marketplace, Appfire's award-winning Bob Swift brand of add-ons has helped more than 8,000 customers across 80 countries to creatively enhance their Atlassian tools. Start a free trial of the Advanced Tables for Confluence add-on. And be sure to take a look at our recipes for inspiration about other things you can do with this and other Bob Swift add-ons.